In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Gmail verification. If you're waiting for a verification email or code and it hasn't shown up yet, don't worry. I'll walk you through a clear process to locate that message and improve the chances it arrives without triggering blocks or delays. First, open your Gmail inbox. This can be on the web or in the Gmail mobile app. Give the inbox a moment to load fully. Sometimes Gmail batches new mail, and it may take a few seconds for messages to appear once the app or tab is active. Next, check the folders where these messages commonly hide. Open the spam folder. On desktop, look to the left sidebar, click More if needed, then select Spam. On mobile, tap the menu icon and scroll to find Spam. If you're using another email client connected to Gmail, this folder might be labeled Junk. Also, open All Mail. This view shows everything, including archived messages that skipped the inbox. On desktop, it's in the left sidebar under More. In the app, it's listed with your labels. Verification emails can sometimes be automatically categorized or archived, so All Mail gives you a complete picture. If you still don't see it, use the search bar at the top of Gmail. Type Google or verification code and press Enter. Keep it simple and check the results for recent messages. Sorting by newest first helps you spot the latest attempt quickly. Be sure to look carefully at any message threads or grouped conversations in the results, as a fresh code can arrive inside an existing thread. When you find the message, move it to your inbox so future emails from the same sender don't get lost. In the spam folder, click Not Spam to return it to your inbox. You can also open the email and use Move to Inbox. On desktop, dragging the message into Inbox works too. This not only brings the current email to the right place, it also teaches Gmail that it's legitimate. If it's still not there, wait before you try again. Give it 5 to 10 minutes. Email systems sometimes queue verification messages, and brief delays are normal. Keeping the Gmail tab or app open is fine, but there's no need to refresh constantly. Finally, avoid repeatedly tapping resend code. Sending many requests in a short time can overload the system, cause the newer code to replace the older one, and even trigger temporary delivery blocks. Patience here actually speeds things up overall. Follow these steps. Open Gmail, check spam, junk, and all mail, search for Google or verification code, move the email to your inbox. If you find it, wait 5 to 10 minutes, and don't spam the resend button. That's the most reliable path to getting your verification message successfully.